I loved it, but what does it sound like? What does it sound like? Not the audiobook. I know what the audiobook sounds like. I listened to the audiobook. But I'm talking about the vibe, the ambiance of the book. What is the score of the book? Would you say it sounded epic? Yeah, maybe. What if I told you you can listen to the atmosphere of this book while you were reading this book? Let me show you. Is that what the first chapter of The Way of Kings sounded like to you in your head? To me, kind of. I'm working on something to nail the vibe and the ambiance of every chapter of every fiction book ever written, including the one that you're reading right now. So, if that's something that you're interested in, let me know. Bye.